trolling in Roblox Bedwars. You know what they say? Banana Barbarian. Now guys, I know I spent all of my Roblox Premium in one day, but I'm getting an additional $10 tomorrow, which I'm also going to spend on levels. I'm going to get 3 levels tomorrow. Because I'm getting $10 at like 7 o'clock, I think, which is gonna be late. I'm also celebrating a Jewish holiday, so I can't eat or drink, which is pretty epic. I guess I'll just grind Bed Wars all day. Why not? Oh, also, in case you didn't realize, in the beginning of the video, we got Banana Barbarian. Look at that piece of beauty right there. Oh my god, Banana Barbarian. That's my favorite spray. I'm gonna that and Chunky Elder Tree are my 2 favorite sprays. And hey, I got it before Sam, so that's a win. Also, Sam, if you're watching this, and why wouldn't you? Because my videos are too epic for you not to watch. I'm sorry, okay? Like, listen, okay? I just had to do what had to be done, okay? It is what it is. I'm not trying to flex on you or anything. No, just ignore what I just said. Dude, what are you doing? Why are you, like, struggling to get blocks? Jeez. I could just bong. I could just hammer over. Like, what's the point of building anymore? Like, that's so, like, September 1st. Dude, blocks. I know I just said what's the point of building, but like there's no way I can make that jump with a hammer. Let's be honest here. Dude, you have blocks, use it. Thank you for not using it. Hold on. Yes! Finally! Wait, watch this. Bong. No! If I made that would have been such an epic clutch. I would have just like dropped TNT from there. That would have been so epic if I made that. Yo, what's up? What's up? Dude! Why would you make the bridge like that? I need to fill in the empty spots of the bridge. Yo, don't be messing around with our bridge. I'm gonna claim Gen, thank you very much. Oh, and by claim Gen, I mean claim it as my own with... Banana Barbarian. Let me go ahead and grab some blocks quickly. Funny amount of iron. IKR. I should have probably gotten armor. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Dude, how can I build from this far? They like make the building like so much easier. I don't really need the last block, but bam. Yo, what's up? Oh gosh, I should actually like trip. Are you kidding me? I see, that's why I should have bought armor. Yes, well, I have this giant hammer if anyone even tries to stop me. Don't mind me, I'm just camping. Rushers. Oh, wow, I'm so good. Well, I'm glad I bought armor and not an iron sword. Want to know something funny? I think she's bounty hunter and you just killed him, and I just got her rewards. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be buying a teleport. Actually, like, I'm not gonna waste my money on a sword, okay? No, balloons suck. Hold on. I'm also going to see. I can't speak today. Sure. I'm sorry, I just had to say that, but like, I actually didn't have to at the same exact time. Dude, my teammate! Why is my teammate not defending bad? Why are my teammates usually so bad? Like, I got paired up with bad teammates. Oh, or I got paired up with no teammates at all. You think you can beat me with a stone sword and leather armor? Oh, I'm getting double teamed. Wow, I'm getting double teamed. So funny. Well, I need 35,000. Not too bad. You know what? I just died. I just died. Yeah, that's what I said. I said I just died in mentalness. Okay, anyways, what I was trying to say was, I'm becoming a flamingo because, like, you know, why? Dude, imagine bridging over to us when my grammar today. You didn't watch your Grammarly ad. As I was saying before my Grammarly interrupted me. Grammarly interrupted me. Sorry, this is more of a weird Bed Wars video. But why would you bridge over to me if I have a hammer? Right? Because like I could just like, yo, what's up? What's up? Hey, I got a giant hammer with your name on it. Hey, what's up? You scared of this giant hammer? You should be. Yo, you don't want to fight me because my my epic hammer. I was trying to do the clutch where I like jump off, go to the side, and then hammer, but like that didn't really work. Yo, dude. You know what you should just do instead of being a noob? You should get Robux and get Jade Kit. Oh gosh, this guy's actually gonna chase me now. Watch this. I'm gonna bait him towards me. Oh my guy's a diamond. He's a diamond sword. Yo, I don't see any bed at your. Am I lagging? No, don't tell me I'm lagging. Don't tell me I'm I just lagged. Well, thanks for making me respawn quickly. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Yo, I got a hammer. I don't know what you're doing on the ground when I could smack you up in the air. Yeah. Sure. What's up? Oh, my guy pulls out a. Dude, I'm using the wrong thing. Computer can be a little funny sometimes. Oh, yo, my guy's turret kit. Perfect. Now we can win this game easy. Dub. And yoink. Yeah. What's up? I'm gonna hit you up with that. Yo. Wait, that actually worked. That would have been so funny if that worked. Dude, fight. Kung Fu fighting. Freaking die. How do you? He could not have respawned that fast. Did you see that respawn hacks? I don't think he has blocks either, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hammer over his base. Yeah, kill it. Are you serious right now? Thank you, my teammate. Thank you. I felt like I was dying there. Let me get speed over to space. Kung Fu fighting. Under the lightning. Yeah, get knocked up with my giant hammer. Yeah! Die! Did he die? Yeah, he died. Dude, where's the bed? Where's the bed? Are you kidding? It's right there. It's right. Dude, you suck! Oh, his teammate is coming. Did he just fall? Easy dub. Nope, I'm out. Oh, come on! Hey, I stayed alive for an extra like 2 seconds. No, when someone breaks your bed and like your teammate is fighting someone else, like just to stay alive for an extra few seconds, use your hammer. Can I? No, it only goes forward. That's sad. Also, why is that even? Why? Just why? Oh. One? Yeah, good. No, wrong inventory spot. Yo, I got your bed. Got your bed. Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? Yo, what's up? Just knocks him in the air. Yeah, yeah, you're dead, my guy. You're dead. GG's. I just fell. Dude, they're gonna try and get our bed. Like, do you know how stupid that actually is? Yeah. Wait, can I still use my hammer? Sure. Yeah. Flex my blocks on this guy. Yeah, my blocks. Trolling in Roblox Bedwars, honestly, I don't know what it's starting to become. It's starting to become like instead of trolling your teammates, is trolling people. But yeah, now we're trolling people with a giant hammer. So sure.
Just to think of what the world around me could be doing at this moment. It's called breaking my bed and being a freaking idiot.
Haha, I get the generator. Even though you did all the work. Thanks for not defending back. It's hammer time. Yo, what's up? I got a hammer. Yeah, you scared me. Yeah, I got a hammer. Ooh, I got a hammer. No, I don't know why I just said ooh there, but like, it's like totally the wrong place to say that. Dude, well, you know, I'm gonna do, yoink. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's this? Am I running? Are you sure I'm running? Are you kidding? Yo, what's up? I got a giant hammer. I'm gonna beat this guy with to his own game. Yeah. Nope, not dying. Don't feel like dying today. Hey. Dude, wait, are we destroying his bed? Wait, what? what's up? Goodbye. Let me at least destroy this nerd's bed. No! Dude, you suck. Okay. Watch this. Hey, this button looks pretty cool. I'm gonna click it. Ha! No. You know, you could say I'm pretty. So now I'm actually playing with my friend, and not really like a bad teammate. Rando. This has been loading for like a straight up 2 decades, like maybe even a century by now. Like, sure. Please load. Please. What? Dude, it's still loading. Finally! That took so long to load. Sorry. Banana barbarian. Banana barbarian. Yeah. Pick up that big can of spray. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Where's my friend? I can't find my friend anymore. Or anywhere. Are you kidding me? I invited him to a party. I clearly invited him. Of course, people have to be funny when we do it a second time. I just like. Oh, okay, so no wonder the bed defense is full of S. Yeah, S. Dong. That was so good! Now bacon hair, I swear. Gamer. It says you're a gamer, but are you though? Like and subscribe in the next 2.2 seconds, or else Hammerhead will be in your bed. Yeah, Jen. Yeah! I'll take that. What are you, noob? I don't know what that was. Yo, like this hammer over here? I could show you what a hammer like this could do. In fact, I'm not afraid to beat up any sweaty noobs. No, this would actually be a pretty cool game icon, like Dana Flamingo Quest. Now it doesn't look cool at all. I like how leather armor just ruins your entire thing. Tinker music. Wait. Yeah! You didn't expect that. I hit you up with a hammer. Oh, you're gonna try. Oh, yeah. Double team. Imagine I just take up both of them. Like right here, right now. If I just take up both. Yo. Sure. Hey, I just took out both y'all. Yeah, watch this. Yeah, I'm gonna fling this guy so hard he's not gonna remember his life in 2019. Yo. Oh. No! God! It's supposed to be a trolling video, right? Oh my god, more like a death video. And my friend didn't even come. Like, where is he? They like straight up abandoned me. I'm gonna get a bow and arrow for this. It's gonna be so much fun. Don't worry, I got blue for you. Hey, what's up? You're gonna kill me? Sure, I got armor, and you don't. Ooh. Yo, no, come on! This hammer, like, I need to get more used to it. Like, it's not bad, but sometimes it can just be. Is shit block better? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Watch this. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yo, what's up, dog? You like this hammer? Yo, I tried to do it. Sorry, I'm not the best at this hammer. But, yeah, we're gonna try this one more time. Hey there. Hey, that's so funny how you just build a bridge. Haha, everyone's laughing.